Having trouble with your Targus 4K docking station not detecting your monitor? Let's get straight to fixing it. First, understand that these issues often stem from USB-C protocol complexities, driver problems, or cable issues. Start by ensuring your laptop fully supports USB-C alt mode for DisplayPort or HDMI. Then, check your USB-C cable. Make sure it's certified for video and capable of handling the bandwidth required for 4K. Use Targus's AI-driven diagnostic tool, available on their support site, to scan for common errors like EDID mismatches. A direct connection to the monitor will rule out other connectivity issues. Finally, overheating can throttle performance, so ensure adequate ventilation. Begin by updating your Targus docking station's firmware. Targus released key updates in October 2025, version 2.5.1, to address USB-C handshake failures and improve compatibility with Windows 11 and macOS Sequoia. Next, reinstall the necessary drivers from the Targus website to reset USB-C enumeration. If that doesn't work, check your monitor's EDID data in Windows Device Manager and ensure it matches the supported resolutions. If using multiple monitors, remember that USB-C bandwidth caps at around 20 gigabits for 4K at 60 Hz, which can cause issues. As a last resort, consider trying a Thunderbolt connection for more stability, or use a Targus-branded cable for better ecosystem consistency. For persistent issues, contact Targus support.